it was interesting to find out that Ohafia, ndị Ohafia ka Ohafia, right? Ohafia na-akpọ age grade ndị otu Ogbo. They call their otu Ogbo Uche. So anyị na-akpọ ya Ogbo, fa na-akpọ nkefa Uche. So this was interesting to me because all previously in nature na Uche apply to when you mess up, what your Ogbo will turn for you. Makana, when you misbehave in our traditional society, when you're doing well, it's your Ogbo that will help you to build. It's your Ogbo that will come together and help you touch your first house, buy your mod and stuff. Even till today, Anna Abaguna age, somebody, a member of an age grade, never agree marry. Anna Abazigozi 40, 50. Now your Ogbo for the happen for my Ekulu, for my village, for Umuoji. Now your Ogbo go come together, can't start the talk, say, can't they do intervention? So then if person thief, for example, now your Ogbo in day for their hands to come, time for village square, flog the shit out of them, treat him, mess up, you know what I'm saying? So it was interesting for me and confirmed that it's still your Ogbo that will do that thing. That so Ogbonuke ani-ekuzie ka haji ife. It's still your ndị otu, no idi misaligned from your purpose. Ya bụ uno ime nsọ ndị otu gị ha bịa treat your mess up. So it was just an interesting thing, yeah. So for example now, ofu onye wee sị gị na ọ chọrọ ịta ya Ogbo n'uke. Ị amazi ife onye a chọrọ ịta ya ma ndị otu gị ka ọ chọrọ eke. Ọ na-adị mma n'ife ịgọ mmụọ a ka ịghọta the core of ife a na-ekwu, the basis of ife a na-ekwu, so that aman just kpọọlụ gị afa ị na-alụ ọlụ ịghọta ije taa ya nka